Welcome to the third video of this series. In this video, you will get to know about AWT labels. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, I have written a simple Java code here. Now, I am just going to import AWT library. Then, here I will write extends frame like we do to define the inheritance. Then we will define our constructor, inside of which we will define the title of our frame. Now I am going to declare a variable of type label, say L1. Then I am going to set the layout of this frame as new flowout. Well, the new flowout is used to set the layout. By setting the layout using the flow layout, it will just put all the elements or components in the center of the frame. There are other layouts such as grid layout, or you can just type null here. After this, I am going to create a label by writing L1 is equal to new label, and here I will write the name of the label. Let's say label. Now I am going to simply add the label in our frame by saying add L1. Now we will just create an object of the class. Then we will set the size of our frame. Then we will set the visibility of our frame. Now let's just try executing it. As you can see here, we have created a label, and this label is positioned at center of our frame, or you can say in our window. Now let's try adding few more labels, say L2 and L3. Now I am going to simply repeat the process like we did for L1. Now let's try executing it. As you can see here, there are three labels, label 1, label 2 and label 3 on our frame. If you don't want to use the flow layout, you can also use null or grid layout. Let's try using null. When you actually set the layout using null, then you have to actually set the bounds, or you can say the position of our components or label manually, like L1.setBounds, and here we will write the XY coordinates and the height and the width of the component. Now I am just going to repeat the process for L2 and L3. Now let's try executing it. As you can see here, we got our three labels inside our frame, and each of them are located at the position we have set here in the set bounds. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.